Today we're going to do the electrics. This is the control panel. If your control panel has unsightly wires here, don't worry about it, because what you need to do is disconnect the fob. Just basically just run your hand down that sleeve and just slide it down. Just slide it down till it meets the box. Because what happens, that sleeve comes down, have the gap on that end where the plug is, won't matter, and therefore you'll find you'll no longer have unsightly wires there. I'm going to put a little cable tie on there just to keep it from falling down. There we go. That will not slide down now. So, and I'm going to bend that over. This control unit comes off the back. You can secure that, screw it to basically the van. In my case, what I'm going to do is put some Velcro on the back, and I'm going to just basically hold it onto the side of the van with the Velcro, and then this will just clip into there. I'm going to remove this B post shortly, and I'm just going to Velcro it here. I'm just going to keep it there and put the wire through that hole and down the B post, and it's just stay there. I'm going to run them under there, come out there and attach them to my fuse box. I will put it into the spare fuse here on this side. So I'm going to put the neutral onto there, onto the bar, or this bar here, and the live onto the middle one there, empty one. I'm going to run them under there, come out there and attach them to my fuse box. I will put it into the spare fuse here on this side. So I'm going to put the neutral onto there, onto the bar, or this bar here, and the live onto the middle one there, empty one. Yeah, because I'm using the fuse box, I won't be needing the fuse holder, so I'll be cutting this off, and I'll just put the fuse in the holder which I'm using. So I'm just sliding this through the conduit, and these two now then will connect to my fuse box. So if I oh yeah. So it's done. All we do now is label that. When you're putting the B-post upper back, the seat belt goes through there. Make sure you locate so it operates the seat belt going up and down. You can't miss it. It's like a little post that goes into the top of there. If you fit it and it's above it, your seat belt won't work properly. It'll be stiff. Yeah, B-post put back. The wire comes out the top now. Look, I can go up or down and I want how much I want it. I'm going to fix that there with Velcro. Just put it that way around. Just have it there. Velcro makes much more sense on the back of these. You can take them off, put them back, and they go back so easy. That's the heater installed. You can see there isn't much clearance there. And that's the plug for the... I've already put the vent in the board. I've bonded it rather than screw it in. All I've got to do now is attach this pipe now to that pipe and fix it in place. First thing I do is put my satellite cable in there. Just check this level. I'll attach the pipe to the unit. So that's the heater fitted now. I think it looks quite smart. Could hardly see it really. I already fitted this satellite plug. Unfortunately, didn't realise that I was going to fit a heater. I managed to get it in there by just slightly moving the pipe over slightly. But if you're building this, you will be able to put the vent directly in front of the heater. But it's worked okay. I'm quite pleased with that. All I need to do now is put the controller up there and jobs are good. Well, it's definitely warming up. You can see the fan spinning on the control. Still smoking. Well, at least it works. This should burn up once it gets going, hopefully. But I don't know if I want to sit there all night without running.